Hi, Sanjita.
Hi.
Good to meet you and congratulations on your grand success, great grand
Thank,
success.
thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, and it has been a pleasure talking to you. So we just wanted, we conducted the seminar to, for the benefit of our students, how, they should prepare and how they should inspire from you, in their preparation phase. And how can they learn from you, from your preparation, do's and don'ts. So this is just an academic webinar, and we wanted you to come face to face with our students. So everyone, thank you so much. So Sanjita is also our student, also the student of Toppers IES, one of Neo-Stencil's partner institute, and Sanjita took a test series from Toppers IES for sociology.
Yes.
So Sanjita, so over to you, Sanjita. We would want to understand hear from you your academic and family background, and then how did you prepare for this exam? What did you do differently? So that you cracked All India Rank 10. Over to you, Sanjita.
Hi everyone. My name is Sanjita Mahapatra. I belong to Rourkela, Odisha. I completed my BTech in Mechanical Engineering from Bhubaneswar itself in 2012. Thereafter, I joined Steel Authority of India Limited, Rourkela Steel Plant, in 2013, and there I worked for 5 years. After that, I quit my job in 2018 and I appeared for UPSC. This is my fifth attempt. I couldn't qualify prelims also in my 3 attempts. In fourth attempt, I couldn't qualify mains. So, what all my strategy, if I say, as sir said, what did you do differently that you cracked it this time? I would like to point that out that it's actually not that we read the same book, but it's true we do it in a different way. The basics which everyone talks about is the same NCRTs, the same NCRTs to build your basics, build your foundation, the Hindu, the Indian Express explained page. So I did all the same. What I did differently was uh, focus on revision, and I had my exclusive notes for everything. I have a habit of making my own notes, so I write down everything. I had notes for NCRTs as well. Many people ask, do we have to make notes for NCRT? I did that because before prelims 1 month was completely dedicated to my revision, so I cannot go back to NCRT's complete book. So what I used to do is make notes, and in that notes I used to write which chapters from NCRT I cannot make a note of, because the whole chapter is very important. So I used to write in the copy that for this chapter refer the book. So when my focus was always on, when I sit for studies, I should have all resources at hand. When I see a topic, I should not be searching for a source while preparation for revision. My basic strategy was I always had the syllabus of UPSC at hand. It was like my Bible. What I used to do is every topic underline that, and I should have at least 3-4 pages basic understanding, basic notes of every topic. What that helped me is keep track of what I'm studying. Syllabus of UPSC is very vast, but still that will help you keep track and keep a knowledge that what you are gaining, and whenever a question comes, at least you have some basic answers to write. So, and then when I have a basic prepared, I kept on adding the current affairs whichever came up in my later preparation stages. So that helped me build a base, and during revision I would revise that again and again. So that is my basic strategy.
Sanjita, a lot of students ask, how to start preparing from basics. So just let's say, so when did you start your UPSC preparation? Was it during the college or after the college?
I started during engineering only. So I was very naive. I belong to a place where there's not so much of hype about UPSC. You see, in Delhi and all, you have a mahal, कहते हैं ना उसे. We have a
Correct.
mahal of UPSC. Bihar, UP, Delhi. But wahan we did not have anything. People didn't used to crack in top 100 as well in Odisha. So what I bought back then? I bought the Tata McGraw-Hill का मोटा सा book आता था ना general studies का. That is the only book I had when I was in third year of my engineering. And I started reading newspaper. Newspaper became my friend. I would like to suggest people who are really starting now, make newspaper your friend. Don't go for gist. That is a shortcut. You know, when you read an editorial, you read the language, you read their ideas, that gives an edge actually. And that has helped me a lot. I have been reading newspapers like now for 10 years. So it is an habit. You know, this will develop as an habit for those students of Neo Stencil who are watching it now, starting from your graduation. You can put on this habit and staying abreast, developing that knack to listen to current affairs. I was very poor in GK. I used to get very poor marks. Then I developed that habit during graduation, having a knowledge about current affairs and all that. So that helped. So these are all the basic things I started doing actually, so you can do.
And how did you come out this option of choosing sociology over other optionals? What
It
how did
was
you decide this?
uh, it was actually, I would say, engineering was by chance. Sociology was where my heart lied. I wanted to do it after plus two, but you know, somehow the other, there was peer pressure. छोटे टाउन में होता है कि ये डॉक्टर बनना है नहीं तो इंजीनियर बनना है. बच्चे साइंस में 90% लाके आर्ट्स नहीं पढ़ते. So that was a basic thing which was there. But then I don't regret the decision because my mind was ki I do graduation or engineering. Finally, I had to appear for UPSC. And this engineering helped me land a job in Steel Authority of India Limited. I had my best professional career over here. So I'll obviously thank that I chose engineering. So it was my interest. Whenever someone chooses an optional, those who are starting preparation right now, please spend around 15 to 20 days in reading that subject, getting an understanding of it. Just because there are high marks कि इस साल के toppers ने ज़्यादा ये subject लिया था, don't go by all of this. Because when you develop an interest, na, you love that subject and the subject loves you back. If my rank has been pushed so up, I think so I must have done good in my optionals, because that's the only paper which helps you score around 60%. आप 500 से 300 रख रहे हो, that's quite a lot of mark. So do choose it carefully, and it should be interest driven, not marks driven. So be conscious about it.
Absolutely. And Sanjay, a lot of students, I've seen in our, our journey of, last 5 years, students come and prepare for, prepare through NCERT's basic books, but then they just end up, just reading and reading and reading. I mean, a lot of them don't practice, answer writing. And although it takes efforts, but I've seen the toppers from last few years, last year's, Suman Mohanty, I think 2017, was our online student, All India rank 9. Hails from Bhubaneswar, I mean, your state. He was so serious about answer writing, be it GS test series or Power test series. And, so what is your take, like students, how much time should they devote on reading and revising, and how much time on answer writing for from the mains perspective?
My strategy, I gave 2018 mains in October, so it got over. So by results came out in December. December was the time when I again started answer writing. You know, when you first start answer writing, answers itne bure hote hain, and the marks you get, it actually demotivates. It does. But then you again fight back, because UPSC, is all about fighting back. You keep on writing. But again, I would like to point out, read the topic. Like the test series are usually arranged in such a way, they give you a syllabus. So 1 week, you read that complete topic and then you go and write. You will know your mistakes. An interview, mock interview I gave in Drishti has become very viral. Many people in Odisha are sharing it. So over there, I made really so many blunders. So what I wanted to say specifically is, you make blunders in the process. Answer writing, mock interviews, all of those are important. So do it. There's no leeway about answer writing. As you said, Suman, the senior who said it, it is absolutely correct. You have to be very serious about answer writing. Paper complete नहीं करते हो, इसकी वजह से बहुत बार marks. I couldn't qualify 2018 mains because of 7 marks. I couldn't complete the paper. मैंने हर पेपर में 17 करके I came back. I thought quality answers लिखूंगी, नहीं, quality लिखना है और साथ में पेपर कंप्लीट करना है. वो कहाँ से आएगा? प्रैक्टिस से आएगा. सिंपल. एवरीवन इज आस्किंग मी, मैम प्रीलिम्स कैसे पार करना है, प्लीज ये बता दो बस आप. मैंने बोला द ओनली वे आई क्लियर्ड प्रीलिम्स इज आई डिड 1 month crazy test series. जो मिला हाथ में, I solved. That is
Yeah.
how you do practice.
Yeah, of course, you are very much right. I mean, once you practice, you fail, you get remarks, you improve.
Yes,
And
absolutely.
so that is the part and parcel of life, you fail and improve. So, and how about your interview experience, Sanjita? Can you share, how was the interview? How did the UPSC panel, rigged you?
It was such a unique and different interview. I had expected so many things. You must be aware you're dealing with students day in day out. हम सबका एक सपना होता है इंटरव्यू बोर्ड एक बार फेस करना है ना? वो मन सबका रहता है. तो मैंने तो बहुत कुछ सोच रखा था. I'll do this, I'll speak this way, I'll showcase them my talent. But then we had mask. I had my interview after the pandemic, July 23rd. I was wearing a mask and a face shield. There was so much of fog. I couldn't speak. So it was very different. I had Sujata Mehta board, ma'am's board, and everyone had made another comment ki bahut strict hai, she'll grill you and all that. But it was such a cordial interview. They wanted to know my viewpoint, my in-depth understanding about topics. They did not want to know facts and figures and all those things with me. They want to be so why do the orthodox practices in society still exist? So my optional helped in all this because they knew my optional was this, so it was focused on that. That also is a factor, and it was a very cordial discussion and they wanted to know my viewpoints, so it was a very good experience for me. It was good.
So thanks, Sanjita. I think we have covered, in short, we have covered how did you prepare, how did you do things differently, any last minute, I mean, recommendations, I would say not last suggestions, but, maybe two or three, do's for the future aspirants, what they should do,
Yes,
definitely.
I would, one basic thing which I have always believed in is there is no substitute for hard work. I always say it in every time I have spoken about my journey. And my success has not come as an overnight journey. It has been a continuous work for last 10 years. So do believe in that. When you take baby steps, do it. From so far off to people who are very far off who cannot afford to come down to Delhi. So use these platforms in a better way, and you can stay at your hometown and use this platform. So do that, research on that, and don't make excuses कि मैं यहाँ से हूँ मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा या something. My family has so many problems. Problems सबकी जिंदगी में होते हैं, उनसे लड़के कौन आगे बढ़ता है, it depends on that. So all the very best to everyone.
नहीं, बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने संजीता, एंड थैंक यू सो मच. आपने इतनी मोटिवेशन टॉक्स बोली हैं बच्चों को. आई एम श्योर दे विल बी इंस्पायर्ड बाय योर जर्नी, and your viewpoints. And of course, we all want to see a great, officer, coming up and serving the country in all its humility and capacity.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sanjita, and be well. Take care.
Thanks. Bye.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.